Hi, I'm Rain. Welcome to Range Tips. Number 2, the 10 life lots. Booyah! Okay, these lots will help you connect with your human side. If you're having problems trying to survive, or wherever, or make it the way I'm making it now, just simply follow these and you will survive. Seriously. You want the police? Gone. Just follow them. They'll be gone. Be cool? Righteous. Life law 1. You either get it or you don't. You get it. You don't? Okay. For example, I did not get how to listen, so instead just keep going, oh, I do know how to listen, blah 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 blah. Doing that. I do know how to listen. Monkey, no here. Monkey, no here. Okay. That was what I was. I was a monkey that I did not hear. I heard was blah 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 blah. That's it. So you get it. Keep it. Seriously. What you get. Those that. Cool beans. Alright. 2. This probably stop you from bitching now. It causes unnecessary drama. Alright. You create your own experience. So whatever happened was because you created that. So stop bitching. Alright, man. I know I bitched a lot about the whole ex-boyfriend and everything because I blamed it on him, rather than I looked at myself and saw that I created the experience for myself. So I learned from the experience and just move on. Alright. 3. Well, 3 is actually people do what works. If you with people that do drugs and everything, and you don't, and you feel like that doesn't work for you, then don't hang out with them. They do what works for them. Like, you do what works for you. They do what works for them. You do not do what works for you and try and impose it on them, because it just causes drama. All it does is do this. That's it. Drama, fights, everything. That's what you don't need in your life. I don't need it. Nobody does. Okay? It just causes stress and shorten our lifespans. So let's just live a long one here, okay, and a peaceful one. A peaceful one, alright? Laters. And I know I have a tendency to flip people off anyway, so sorry if that offends you. 4 is the one I always get trouble with, but I'm gonna share it anyways. You cannot change what you don't acknowledge. Like I did not acknowledge that I was a drama queen. I could change that and try to acknowledge myself as a drama queen, and I repeated it so many times online that I actually changed it. So it's kind of like, if you acknowledge what you do, you change it. Which is kind of cool. Anyways. 5. Life rewards action. My action was that I be a bitch. And life rewards me with crap. If I act nice, life will give you what I want. Basically, that's what it's about. So those people that you say had it all easy, that's because they act like they want it. They just act the way a certain way, and they acted, and they gave a different action which got them what they wanted. So it looks like they have everything on a silver plate or silver platter or wherever. And you know what? I think those people need to know houses like on my side of the street. for anybody other sides of the streets too. Like just that life is not that all great sometimes. Alright. 6. There is no reality or perceptions. So what I view, it's my reality. What you view, it's your reality. Not what I view, it's your reality. What you view, it's my reality. If you think of that, get that out of your head right now. I'm serious, right now. Shoot it out of your head if you have to, okay? Because that's not true at all. Your own reality, it's your own. No one else. Unless you get a copycat. Number 7. Life is magic, not sure. So those people who are thinking their life is sure, you're an idiot. Actually, you're stupid. Because your mind is not connecting to the highway to transfer the information to you. Okay? Which is what I'm doing here. 8 is that we teach people how to treat us. Very true. We portray ourselves in a certain way. People will treat us in a certain way. If we change how we treat them, they'll treat us differently. Period. You got it? Cool. If you're a slut and you don't want that, don't be a slut. Well, don't dress like a slut. Don't do anything that's considered slutty. And you don't have any reason to give drama. Ooh. Good served. 9. There is power in forgiveness. Which is why I'm a very forgiving person, even though I don't like it sometimes, because it means that I give the people another chance. And sometimes they'll use it to hurt me again or wherever. But I always forgive people. It's no matter of my choice if I'm going to avoid them or I'm going to have a limit content or wherever. It's my choice. It depends on what I do. You forgive yourself first. Forgive everything. Then forgive others. Just give it right. That I forgive myself for being an idiot today. I forgive myself for drinking 20 water bottles. I forgive myself for being no texting. Well, no text. For being a no texting person or wherever. Yeah. We cool? 10. The last law of life is that you have to name it before you claim it. For example, I named that word Kathleen is my girlfriend, and I claimed it. I want Cameron's my boyfriend. I named it, and I claimed it. Simple as that. Apparently I named that. I want Cameron break up with me, and I claimed it. So it's not a matter of your conscious, it's also your subconscious too. So beware of your subconscious that you can name everything you want and claim it without having anything bad to happen. That's what you pretty much have to do. Alright? Okay, just leave a message to ask me to clarify anything that I said on here or wherever, because I know I'm hard to understand sometimes, or wherever. Layers. Peace out. Why I'm doing it? Because I'm cool.